This is Dr. Vishnu Shankar Sinha, PG Department of Botany, Tata College, Chaivasa. Today I am going to discuss human genetics. Human genetics is a branch of genetics deals with the study of inheritance and variation of characters of man. Sir Archibald Garrod, a British physician, was the pioneer of human genetics and was called the father of human genetics. Tizot and Levin in 1956 determined the correct number of normal human beings, that is 2n Bravur 46, and it is consist of 44 autosomes and 2 allosomes or sex chromosome, that is XX in female and XY in male. A sperm cell of human may carry 22 plus X or 22 plus Y chromosomes, while egg cells of human only carry 22 plus X chromosomes. This is the karyotype of human chromosomes. The human genome have approximately 30,000 to 40,000 protein coding genes, and maximum number of genes has been reported in chromosome number 1, that is 8,000, and smallest number has been reported in chromosome number 21 with 300 genes. Man is not a favorable genetic material due to following reasons. Number of offspring is very small for each marriage. Lifespan of man is long. The result cannot be studied for 3 or more generations. Majority of human beings are genetically heterozygous for many characters. Therefore, it is difficult to get isostrains. Controlled breeding experiments under a standardized environment are impossible due to social hindrances. Some hereditary diseases, for example, sickle cell anemia. This disease is caused by single gene in heterozygous condition, causes moderate sickling, that is sickle cell trait, and in homozygous condition causes severe effect, that is sickle cell anemia, where abnormal hemoglobin. This result into various abnormalities and may ultimately result into death. It is a major killer in India. It has been reported that heterozygote develop certain resistance to malaria. This is the picture of normal erythrocytes and sickle cell erythrocytes of human. Each hemoglobin contains 2 alpha polypeptide and 2 beta polypeptide. The alpha chain has 141 amino acids and beta chain contains 146 amino acids. In 6th position of hemoglobin, the glutamic acid is replaced by valine. Glutamic acid is hydrophilic, whereas valine is hydrophobic. Here the glutamic acid is replaced by valine. This is the normal hemoglobin and this is the sickle cell hemoglobin. Symptoms of anemia: yellowing of eye, paleness, coldness and yellowing of skin, shortness of breath in respiration, muscular weakness, intestinal changed stool color, central fatigue, blood vessels, that is low blood pressure, and heart palpitation rapid rate, chest pain, angina, heart attack, and spleen become enlarged. Some inborn errors of metabolism, which is controlled by genes and inheritance in a simple Mendelian fashion. For example, phenylketonuria. Presence of excess phenylalanine in blood, which is excreted out with urine. Phenylalanine is not converted into tyrosine during cellular respiration due to absence of enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. This disease causes mental retardation, pale skin, and sometimes epileptic attack. This disease is caused due to inheritance of defective gene from each parent and the children suffering from diseases called phenylpyruvic idiots. Here the phenylalanine came from the food, and phenylalanine is not converted into tyrosine due to the absence of phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme, and tyrosine block the synthesis of thyroxine and melanin. Thyroxine inhibit the normal growth, whereas melanin inhibit the skin pigmentation. This is alkaptonuria. Here urine color turns black or brown from pale yellow. In the presence of sunlight, homogenistic acid cannot change into malleate state during cellular respiration due to absence of enzyme homogenistic acid oxidase. This is the color of urine. Albinism. It is due to absence of melanin pigment. Individuals suffering with this disease are incapable of converting dihydroxyphenylalanine into melanin. It is recessive hereditary trait. It is observed in human, birds, amphibian, reptiles, fish, etc. This is the picture of albinism man, and this is the eye of albinism man. Cystic fibrosis. It is a hereditary autosomal recessive disorder due to mutation in CF gene on chromosome number 7. It affects epithelial cell of the respiratory, gastrointestinal and reproductive tracts, lead to abnormal duct gland secretions. Cystic fibrosis leads to disruption of chloride channels on the cell. This is the cystic fibrosis. Huntington's disease. This disease was first recognized by George Huntington in 1872. It is a single gene defective hereditary disease that causes gradual degeneration of nerve cells in the brain. It is autosomal dominant disorder of chromosome number 4. The loss of cell bodies of GABA secreting neurons in the caudal nucleus and putamen acetylcholine secreting neurons in many parts of the brain. It has a broad impact on the person's physical movement, emotions and cognitive abilities. Its symptoms are depression 40 to 80%, anxiety 30 to 40%, apathy 20%, psychosis 5%, episodic anger and irritability common. Regular exercise, proper diet, supplements and spiritual and psychosocial support are helpful in this disease. This is the picture of normal brain, and this is the picture of diseased brain, where enlarged ventricles, atrophy of cerebral nerve tissue and basal ganglia. Another disease is Klinefelter syndrome. It was first discovered by Harry in 1942. It is a trisomic disorder due to non-disjunction of the chromosome, that is 44 plus XXY, not inherited from one parent, and it occurs in about 1 out of 1000 males. Delayed puberty, testis and penis small, breast developed, poor sex drive or sexual problems, lack of facial and body hair, sex chromatin positive. Here frontal baldness absent, poor beard growth, breast development in 30% cases, osteoporosis, small testis and penis. Female type pubic hair pattern, tendency to lose chest hair, mildly impaired IQ, slightly feminized psyche. Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome was first described by an endocrinologist, Henry Turner, in 1938. It is a monosomic disorder, that is 44 plus XO, that affects only females. One X chromosome, that is sex chromosome, missing or partially missing. It can cause a variety of medical and developmental problem. Sex chromatine negative. Characteristic facial features: fold of skin, construction of aorta, poor breast development, elbow deformity, rudimentary ovaries, no menstruation, brown spots, small fingernails, shortened metacarpal, therefore widely spaced nipple, shield-shaped thorax, low hairline. Down syndrome or Mongolism. It was first discovered by Don in 1966. It most common genetical disorder of man and also known as trisomic 21, where the chromosome number 2n barabar 47. Here addition in 21st chromosome, mentally retarded, IQ is around 50 instead of 100. Below average height, a small head, flattened face, rounded cheeks, a malformed fifth finger, a small wide hand, a small misshapen ears. Edwards syndrome. Edwards syndrome was first discovered by Edward et al. In 1960. It is a genetical disorder caused by addition of extra 80th chromosome. It is the second most common autosomal trisomic disorder, that is 2n barabar 47. Severe mental retardation, more pronounced in female, generally die within 4 months, kidney malformations, structural heart defects at birth, and esophageal atresia. This is the picture of Edward syndrome. Patau syndrome or D syndrome. Patau syndrome was first reported by Carlos Patau in 1930. It is a genetical disorder caused by having an extra copy of the chromosome 13, that is called trisomic 13, or also by the wrong position of chromosome 13. It's occur in about 1 in 12,000 births. It causes many physical and mental abnormalities, that is 80% of children have a heart defects, unusual facial features, a small head size, either a small or no eyes, extra fingers and toes, and spinal defect. This is the picture of Patau syndrome. Cry-do-chat syndrome. This syndrome was first described by Jerome Lejeune in 1963. Cry-do-chat is a French term. It means cat cry or call of the cat. It is a rare genetical disorder due to deletion of short arm on chromosome number 5. Human telomerase reverse transcriptase, that is STERT gene, is one of the detected gene, helps to keep the information in DNA functioning properly. If STERT gene get damaged, leads mental illness, that is cry-do-chats occur. It is characteristic of affected infants, which is similar to that of a mewing kitten, due to larynx problem or larynx is not properly developed. It occurs in about 1 in 50,000 live birth and is more common in females by a 4:3 ratio. Some common characteristics: downward slanting eyes, extremely low birth weight, delayed growth of the child, abnormally shaped ear, intellectual impairment, waving or fusing of fingers, skin tags in front of ear, delayed motor development, microcephaly, small jaw, wide set eye. Alzheimer disease. Alzheimer disease was first described by German physician Dr. Alois Alzheimer in 1906. It is a neurodegenerative disease. It is characterized by brain cell death or the loss of neurons and synapses in the cerebral cortex and certain subcortical regions. According to recent researcher report, a genetical variant of the apolipoprotein E, ApoE gene on chromosome number 19 does increase a person's risk. Symptoms of Alzheimer's disease is difficulty in remembering recent events, language problem, disorientation, ability of judgment, etc. Approximately 3% of men and women have Alzheimer's diseases at the age of 65 to 74-year-olds, and nearly half of those of age 85-year-olds. About 3,60,000 new cases of Alzheimer's disease are diagnosed each year. This is the neuron of normal person and this is the neuron of Alzheimer's disease. Yes, this is the significance of human genetics. To prevent the birth of genetically defect offspring like hemophilia, color blindness, etc. Passing of trait in the offspring can be known like hair color, intelligence, blood groups, etc. For genetically counseling of prospective couples, it gives us information about genotype of an individual for the trait under investigation. It is useful for hereditary studies in sexually reproducing organisms, useful to detect biological danger marriage, identification and treatment of diseases. It generates knowledge with the potential to improve individual and community health. Thank you for watching.